guys, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So into this video, I will be showing you how I create an interactive quiz using my WordWall platform. So WordWall platform, to give you an information, is an easy way to create your own teaching resources. Uh, it can either be quizzes, match up word games, and much more. You can use this one in your classroom as motivation, as review material, or even as your activity, and of course as your evaluation. And the goodness of this, guys, is it is an interactive. You can create an interactive activities and of course printable ones. And mind you guys, it's just very easy. What you will do is we have only here three easy steps. One is to pick a template. Number two, enter your content, and you can print your activity or you can play that on screen, or you can give the link to your students for them to answer. So there are different templates actually. We have here quiz, random wheel, anagram, missing board, and jumbo letters, word search, crossword, and more. Okay, so these are the different activities that you can create using WordWall platform. Okay, so without further ado, let's now start creating our interactive quiz. Okay, first thing to do is to click create activity and then choose the template. Since we want to create an interactive quiz, I will click quiz. And then you will be asked what is the title of your activity. So let's say, okay, let's say, okay, you can click the instruction here or you can type whatever instruction you want. Then we can now type the question. So for me to easily make this interactive quiz, I will be using ChatGPT to have the different questions. By the way, we'll just make at least 5 questions. That is just for you to know how to create. Actually, it's just very easy. What you will do is, if you already have prepared questions, you just have to copy and paste. Okay, then ah, and then you need to click the answer because you will not be able to complete the task if you will not choose the correct answer. Then if you want to add some question, just click plus. Medyo maingay dito sa bahay. Okay, and then number 3, let's have only at least five questions. Again, you have to click the answer before proceeding. And last two. So it's easy if you will just copy and paste. It's difficult if you still have to type the questions. It takes too long. Okay, last one. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay. Somebody is testing his sound system sa bahay. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay, I have already completed 5 questions. Let's just have 5 questions. And then you just click it done. Okay, we are done. So let's choose. Let us choose now our theme. So this one is a classic one. So this is how it looks. These are the different question. You can use this one if you want. And you can also use different other themes. Let's have a different one. This one primary. Although we have just similar color, but then the background is different. Okay, you can have it here. Okay, then after that, before you give this to your students, you can set first a timer if you want. So let's say since I have only here, assuming that we have 10 items, you want that to finish in 15 minutes, you can click here 15 minutes. And then if you want to only have one life, just move that way so that they will not be able to repeat again. Then you can shuffle the questions, automatically proceed after making show answers, and then click apply to this activity. Then you are now ready to give this to your students. So if you want to give this to your student as their quiz using their cell phone, what you will do is just click set assignment. Then if you want to know the ranking of your students, you can click leaderboard and then start. Then you will be sharing now this link. So just copy this link and then you can share now the link to your group chat. Then the students can already start answering the activity. So it will ask them to write their name. Okay, then done. And aside from that, sharing to your students the link, you can also use this one inside your classroom. Let's say you do not have any load up or data. So what will you do is just to use what do we call that one, projector, to show this one to your students, and you can let them get some piece of paper to write their answers. Okay, so What you will do, let's say for example, you will shoot this inside your classroom. In order for you to maximize the screen, just click this one here. Okay, and that will be shown in the whole screen. Then type start. Okay, so since they are answering, let them just give them a few seconds or 1 minute each. Okay, then after that, you can already go back to number 1 to check their answer. Actually, if the students answered wrongly, automatically they will be able to get the answer because uh, this will automatically show the correct answer. For example, okay, check. Number 2. Let's say, for example, I made mistake. Okay. So automatic, it will give the student the correct answer. Then, start again. So much better you give them multiple lives because they will not be able to proceed. Okay. That is what happens when we just give one life. If they made a mistake, automatic, wrong, they will not be able to proceed. Next. I will immediately check. Okay. Okay, the leader, if you want to see your standing, can click leaderboard. Okay, since we do not have any other uh, joiner or participant, it will say you're first on the leaderboard. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, let's say for example, by the way, I will not make this one live only because automatic the student will not be able to proceed if they will immediately made a mistakes. So it's better to have it unlimited. Okay, so what if you give this to your students in what if you give the link to your students? How are you going to know their scores? So you just go to the results. So my results, just click my results, and then it will show you uh, the result. So the one that we created a while ago is this one, result 217 for quiz on hydrocarbons. Since we do not have any takers, that is why we have here 0. So I will be showing you a sample where there are students who answered a particular quiz. So let's have this one. Wala. This one. Okay, so it will tell you the number of students, the average score, the top score, and how many students, and the fastest one. And you have already here the leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard, as you can see it here. So it's just easy for you to record. And then aside from that, you can also see the results by questions, how many those who got the correct answer in number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth, and then the result of the students. So this one is already arranged according to the time. Who was the first to submit? Okay. Okay, let's go back. Okay, by the way, as you can see here, I have so many different activities already that is created using this app. So aside from the quiz, there are also other types of activities that you can make that you can be used in your classroom. Let's say you want to have motivation, you can have, let's say for example, anagram, you want to have review, you can have match up. So it depends on what activity you want to give to your students. You can even give them an interactive game. For example, we have here uh, Miss Chase, Airplane, Whack-A-Mole. So these are, or even game show quiz. So these are interactive game that you can give to your students. Okay, guys, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something from this. If you want to, if you have some questions, if you have some comments, do not hesitate. Just write your comment down below. And if you want to learn more about how to create other type of activities, you can just also click your comment. Or you can just type your comment down below. Okay, that's it for now. So much, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.